Imagine this. You're standing in line at your local convenience store, clutching a lottery ticket. Your heart races, palms sweat, and around you, people chatter about their dreams of striking it rich. But unlike them, you possess a secret, a powerful set of words that could transform that ordinary ticket into a ticket to financial freedom. Sounds unbelievable, right? Stick around, because what I'm about to share with you might just change your perspective on winning forever. We're diving deep into the extraordinary life of Helene Hadsell, a woman who didn't just get lucky, but instead created her own luck using the magic of her words. Today, we're peeling back the layers on a method that has empowered countless individuals to manifest their dreams, not through wishful thinking, but through intentional language and belief. Helene Hadsell, known as the Contest Queen, has cracked the code for winning contests and sweepstakes by harnessing the incredible power of her mind. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't just another vague law of attraction pitch. This is a concrete, step-by-step guide anyone can follow to attract abundance into their lives. So, what's the secret? It all begins with how you talk to yourself. Now, let's be honest for a moment. How many times have you found yourself saying things like, "I never win anything," or "the odds are against me"? We've all been there, and believe it or not, these seemingly harmless phrases can create a barrier to your success. Helene discovered that our words aren't merely sounds. They are energetic frequencies carrying our deepest beliefs and emotions. Each word you utter acts like a tiny beacon, sending out signals into the universe that can either attract opportunities or repel them. Imagine this. Every time you label yourself as a loser or express doubt about your chances, it's like putting up a cosmic roadblock. You're essentially telling the universe, "I'm not ready for success." But what if, instead of reinforcing negative beliefs, you flipped the script? By changing your vocabulary, you can transform your cosmic ad for abundance. Instead of "Please, I just want to win something," you can declare, "I am a successful winner, attracting victories into my life." This shift isn't about spending hours meditating or chanting. It's about subtly tweaking your everyday language to align with your aspirations. Helene turned affirmations into a science, an art form, really, empowering herself to believe she had already won before even purchasing a ticket. So what does this look like in practice? It starts with crafting powerful affirmations that resonate deeply with you. Think of phrases like, "I attract lottery wins effortlessly," or "The universe conspires to bring me financial abundance." But here's the catch. Merely reciting these affirmations isn't enough. Helene understood that true transformation occurs when you infuse these words with genuine emotion. Your subconscious mind, after all, doesn't just hear your words, it feels your energy. Think about the difference between a half-hearted affirmation and one delivered with passion. When you declare, "I am a lottery winner," you need to feel every ounce of that victory. Imagine the rush of joy, the disbelief, the moment you check your numbers and realize you've won. This is where the real magic happens. To effectively harness this technique, it's essential to personalize your affirmations. If you're someone who thinks in numbers, you might say, "My intuition guides me to the winning combination." If you're more visual, perhaps you'll envision yourself celebrating with friends after hitting the jackpot. The key is to make these affirmations resonate with you on a personal level. And speaking of tapping into powerful techniques for success, a PhD neuroscientist recently revealed a fascinating discovery, the 7-second Tesla ritual, that's said to attract money and abundance directly to you. If you're curious and want to learn more about this breakthrough method, check the link in the first pinned comment below. It might just be the extra boost you need to align with financial success. Now, let's dive deeper into the emotional aspect. When Helene spoke her affirmations, she didn't just say them, she experienced them. Imagine looking in the mirror and declaring, "I am a winner," not while rushing through your morning routine, but with full conviction. Feel that excitement, the thrill coursing through your veins as you visualize your dreams unfolding. This energetic alignment is what sets her technique apart from simple positive thinking. So how do you effectively channel these emotions? Helene believed in becoming an emotional alchemist. This means tapping into deep feelings of joy and gratitude, even for wins that haven't happened yet. Picture this. Close your eyes and truly feel grateful for the money that's coming your way. Envision how it will change your life, help your loved ones, and enable you to make a difference in the world. That warmth spreading through your chest, the lump in your throat, these are the emotions that resonate with the universe. But what truly ties all of this together? Consistency and unwavering belief. Helene didn't just dabble in her affirmations, she made them a part of her daily routine. Just like hitting the gym to stay fit, reprogramming your subconscious requires consistent effort. It's about integrating affirmations into your life, reciting them while brushing your teeth, during your morning commute, or while waiting for your coffee to brew. Here's a fun challenge inspired by Helene. Buy a bottle of nice champagne, not the cheap stuff, and put it in your fridge. Every time you open that fridge, you'll be reminded that you're a winner waiting to pop the cork. It's a symbolic gesture that keeps the energy of success alive in your daily life. But there's another layer to Helene's method. She didn't just affirm her wins, she expected them. It wasn't a question of if she would win, but when. She meticulously planned what she would do with her winnings, down to the smallest details. Want to take a vacation? Research exotic spots. Consider where you'll donate to charity once you strike it rich. This forward-thinking mindset isn't about setting yourself up for disappointment. It's about training your mind to expect abundance. Now, you might be thinking, isn't this a bit risky? What if that lottery ticket doesn't hit, or the outcome isn't exactly what you imagined? Helene would tell you something truly profound. It doesn't matter. The real magic lies not just in the winning itself, but in the journey of believing in yourself, embracing a life of purpose, and living each day with the mindset of a winner. Every day that you choose to walk with confidence, knowing that success is within your reach, you've already won. The material rewards are simply a reflection of that inner transformation. It's not just about the prize at the end. It's about becoming the person who is ready to receive it. Think about it. What happens when you align your thoughts, emotions, and actions with success? You begin to attract opportunities not only in contests, but in your career, relationships, and personal growth. The more you nurture that winner's mindset, the more abundance will flow into every area of your life. This is about creating a life where success becomes inevitable because you've cultivated the belief, energy, and actions of someone destined to win. Now that we've dissected Helene Hadsell's winning formula, it's time to move from theory to practice and really start putting this powerful technique into action. Whether your goal is winning a sweepstakes, manifesting financial abundance, or simply living with greater purpose, these principles are your key to unlocking limitless possibilities. Below, I've outlined a comprehensive step-by-step guide designed to help you become a manifestation master and a cosmic cash magnet. Let's dive in and turn this knowledge into the reality you deserve. Step 1. Choose your power words. Start by selecting affirmations that resonate with you personally. Don't just mimic what others say. Find phrases that evoke a sense of empowerment. Write these down and keep them somewhere visible. Step 2. Create your winner's den. Establish a dedicated space where you can focus on your affirmations without distractions. This could be a quiet corner of your home, your garden, or even your car during a commute. Consistency is crucial. Aim to practice in the same spot at the same time each day. Step 3. The ticket trick. Get yourself a lottery ticket, but don't check the numbers immediately. Instead, hold the ticket while affirming your winning mindset. Feel the texture, visualize those winning numbers, and connect physically to your intention. Step 4. Speak it. Feel it. Be it. When you recite your affirmations, deliver them with the energy and emotion of a theatrical performance. Visualize the moment you check your ticket and realize you've won. Let your heart race and palms sweat as you immerse yourself in that exhilarating experience. Step 5. The gratitude boost. After your affirmations, take a moment to express deep gratitude for your anticipated win. Visualize how this money will positively impact your life and the lives of those around you. Feel the relief of financial freedom and the joy of living life on your own terms. Step 6. Carry the feeling. As you go about your day, maintain the feeling of being a winner. When you buy your lottery ticket, do so with the confidence of someone who knows they've already succeeded. Smile at the cashier, knowing you have a secret that they don't. Step 7. Inspired action. Helene didn't sit back waiting for success to find her. She took proactive steps toward her goals. Start exploring ways to invest your future winnings, look into charities you'd like to support, or learn a new language for those exotic vacations. Act as if your win is inevitable. Step 8. The non-attachment game. While it may seem contradictory, practicing non-attachment to the outcome is vital. Trust that the universe has your back, whether it's this ticket or the next. Desperately needing a win can create resistance, so focus on enjoying the journey. Step 9. Celebrate every win. Acknowledge every bit of abundance that comes your way, no matter how small. Did you find $1 on the street? Celebrate it. Did you get a free coffee? Time for a happy dance. By recognizing these small victories, you signal to the universe that you're open to receiving more. Step 10. Rinse and repeat. This isn't a one-and-done deal. Treat your affirmations and practices as daily rituals, as non-negotiable as brushing your teeth. Helene Hadsell didn't just win lotteries. She won cars, dream vacations, and even a house. The principles remain the same. Align your words, emotions, and beliefs with your desired outcomes. And there you have it. You're now equipped with Helene Hadsell's secret formula for success. The real question is, are you ready to step into your power and become the next big winner? Your jackpot journey starts now, but it's about so much more than just winning a prize. It's about embracing a mindset that aligns with abundance, success, and joy in every aspect of your life. When you apply these techniques consistently, you'll not only see results in your contests and sweepstakes, but in all areas of your life where you seek growth and prosperity. Imagine this. What if everything you've ever dreamed of is just one shift in your mindset away? By harnessing the power of your words, thoughts, and emotions, you can unlock a whole new level of opportunity and fulfillment. The universe is always listening, waiting to respond to your intentions. So, take that first step today. Start speaking, feeling, and living as the winner you already are. But now, I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on Helene Hadsell's approach? Have you tried something similar? Or are you ready to give it a go? Share your experiences, affirmations, and thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to know how you plan to integrate these techniques into your life. If you found this video helpful and feel inspired, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps more people discover this powerful message. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on life-changing content like this. Together, we're building a community of winners, dreamers, and manifestors. Let's continue this journey to success together. Until next time, remember, your words have power, and your success is just a belief away. Keep believing, keep affirming, and most importantly, keep winning. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.